Imagine all your favorite games live inside one big clubhouse far across town. Long ago, you had to walk all the way there to play. But now you, your friends, and your stuff are scattered everywhere: homes, parks, cars. So how do you reach those toys safely from anywhere? SASE, say it like SASE, stands for Secure Access Service Edge. Think of it as a smart magic gate floating in the sky called the cloud. Every kid going anywhere passes through this one gate. It checks them, protects them, and sends them the fastest way. One gate for everyone. Remember the clubhouse. Long ago, it worked like a castle. Everything safe lived inside one strong wall with a single drawbridge as the only way in. That was fine when everyone lived inside the castle. But the moment kids moved away, that one drawbridge became a very long, crowded line. So that single drawbridge stopped working. Today, kids play from bedrooms, from buses, from the beach. They use phones, tablets, and laptops. Forcing every one of them to walk back to the far castle first is slow and silly. The whole world spread out, but the castle stayed in one spot. Now the big idea. Instead of one faraway castle, put little magic gates all around the world, close to wherever kids are. These nearby gates are called the edge. A kid no longer travels far, the gate is right next door. Close gates mean fast trips and short, tidy lines. Remember those nearby gates. Each one is smart. Before letting anyone through, it asks one question: who are you really? You show your special badge, your username, password, and a secret code on your phone. Only the real you gets in. Strangers wearing a mask get stopped cold. Okay, the gate knows it is really you, but it still will not hand you the whole clubhouse. It opens just the one toy box you actually need today, not everyone's secrets. If a sneaky kid ever slipped in, they would find only a single box, not the entire treasure room. Small keys, big safety. Now that the gate trusts you, you start sending messages to your toys. But the road is public, anyone could peek. So SASE wraps every message in a secret bubble that only you and the gate can open. To a snooping stranger, it just looks like scrambled, silly nonsense. Inside the magic gate sits a friendly bouncer. As your bubbles pass, it sniffs each one for trouble, viruses, mean tricks, and bad websites. Good messages stroll right through. Sneaky ones get bounced back at the door. It is like a guard who only lets nice, clean toys into the party. The bouncer cleared your message. Now, which way should it go? SASE looks at many roads at once. One is jammed, one is bumpy, one is clear. Like a clever GPS, it instantly sends your toys down the smoothest, fastest path. This road-picking magic has a name: SD-WAN. Notice something cool. The same gate already did everything. Checked who you are, opened just your box, wrapped your bubble, bounced baddies, and picked the fast road. Before SASE, each job lived in a different, separate machine. SASE folds all of them into one tidy gate in the cloud. Grown-ups split SASE into two teams. The safety squad, checking badges, scrambling bubbles, and bouncing baddies, is nicknamed SSE, Security Service Edge. The other half is the road-picking GPS, the SD-WAN. Put the safety team and the road team together, and you get the full SASE gate. Here is the gate's golden rule called zero trust. It never assumes you are safe just because you got in once. Every single time you reach for a toy, it checks again. Still you. Still allowed. Still safe. Trust is never given forever, it is earned at every single door. Let's trace your whole trip. You tap a toy from the park. The nearest gate checks your badge, opens just your box, wraps your bubble, bounces baddies, and zooms it down the fastest road, straight to your game and back. Fast, private, safe. The whole adventure is almost complete. So remember, SASE is one smart gate in the cloud sitting close to you. It checks who you are, opens only your toy box, hides your trip in a secret bubble, bounces baddies, and always picks the fastest road. Wherever you roam, your toys stay just a safe hop away.